Hello everyone, this is going to be part 1 of our nature explorer in winter. We're going to go check the underpass to see if there's any animals trying to hide out when they're fucking cold. Gotta go, gotta go all the way, gotta see our pasture. What, all the yellow? As Daddy steps in some goopy seaweed, because we're right by a lake. Well, where's the entrance to? Oh yeah, it's down there, by that sign, all the way over there. If you can see it, right there. It's nice out here, other than the ground we're walking on. I hope you flip forwards. But we should check the under part to see if there's anything hiding in there. And then we can turn around, because I know there's nothing else. And then Zach gets a little break. Yeah, I don't get cold. It's funny, because I'll get cold in our house that's like 80 degrees all the time. And then like outside, I won't get cold at all. Yeah, because 30 degrees out, sometimes I'm out in short sleeves and shorts. Well, good thing I have 3 comforters.
Same thing with eating. Get cold real quick and easy after eating.
It says to dismount bikes, I don't listen.
All your blood and flow goes to your stomach to digest the food.
Nutritional facts with my father. Well, I'm making a documentary for YouTube. What the? Fuck. Look at that. What the?
People are ridiculous. Gotta ruin good things.
Well, this is how you get a lot of views on YouTube. Zozo, where are you? Hey, Tom. Hey, Mo Sargis. Tom, where are you? Zozo. Hi, guys. Okay. Well, I'm surprised there's nothing under here. Hiding from the cold. You would think there would be. But Booty. You guys are just saying mom.
It doesn't echo when you say
You guys are just saying mom and hello, and I go booty.
I was doing that with my mouth.
Me too. I was hello. Yeah, I went booty. Hey, I think I see a geocache. It's a little yellow tube attached to a branch. There's another one. Maybe they're not geo. Then they're probably what? I'm blind.
Look, it looks like a cruise.
I knew you were gonna do. I was just stepped in dog poop. I didn't step on you. I only tried to throw you into the grass filled with snow. I knew you were going to throw me in. Or at least attempt to. He's so calm out here. So, I have a slower metabolism. Yes, I know my stuff. I am one of the smartest in the school. He fell. Or is he just crouching down trying to scare us with his green jacket? With his green and orange jacket. Crouched. Okay, that's going to be part 1. Bye, guys. Hope you like and subscribe.